Welcome to this guided meditation, designed to help you release anxiety and embrace a sense of deep inner peace. As we embark on this journey, I invite you to find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down, undisturbed, for the next while. This is your time, a sacred interval dedicated to your well-being. Let's begin by focusing on your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. Hold this breath for a moment, and then gently exhale through your mouth. As you continue this breathing pattern, allow your body to relax with each breath. With every inhalation, imagine drawing in calmness and tranquility. With every exhalation, envision releasing any tension and anxiety you may be holding. Now, gently shift your focus to the present moment. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body. Notice the subtle sensations of the air against your skin. Listen to the sounds around you, letting them anchor you in the now. In this moment, there is nothing else you need to do, nowhere else you need to be. Just be here, breathing, existing in this safe space. Let's start a gentle body scan, bringing awareness to each part of your body. Begin with your feet. Feel any sensations there and allow them to relax. Move up to your ankles, calves, and knees. If you notice any tension, breathe into those areas and let it melt away. Continue this scan up through your thighs, hips, and lower back. With each breath, release any tightness you encounter. Now, bring your attention to your abdomen, chest, and shoulders. These areas often harbor anxiety. Breathe deeply into them, and on each exhale, let go of any heaviness or stress. Allow your arms, hands, and fingers to relax. Notice the sensation as the tension dissolves, leaving your upper body feeling lighter and more at ease. Move your focus to your neck, jaw, and face. These areas can hold a lot of tension, so breathe into them, and as you exhale, allow that tension to flow out of your body. Finally, bring your awareness to your head. Let your scalp, forehead, and temples relax. Feel the release of any mental stress or anxiety. With your body now more relaxed, turn your attention inward. Within you is a place of stillness, a sanctuary where you can retreat from the outside world. Picture this space in your mind. Maybe it's a serene garden, a quiet beach, or a cozy room. Spend a few moments here, absorbing the tranquility of this place. In this inner sanctuary, visualize a gentle stream of light flowing down from above, bathing you in its glow. This light represents peace and calm. Imagine it washing over you, carrying away all your worries and fears. See your anxiety dissolving into this light, leaving your mind clear and serene. Now, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I am calm and centered. I release my fears and embrace peace. With every breath, I grow stronger and more relaxed. I am safe, and I trust the journey of life. Let these words resonate within you, reinforcing your sense of security and calm. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of complete relaxation. Each breath takes you further into a realm of peace and stillness. You are in a safe space, free from the pressures and demands of the outside world. Now, it's time to gently bring this meditation to a close. Start to bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Notice the feeling of the air on your skin, the sounds in the room, the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to thank yourself for this act of self-care. Remember, you can return to this state of peace anytime you need. You are strong, you are capable, and you are deserving of inner tranquility.